Let's see how to download Forsaken or on Apple iPad. In the first step, open Settings. Now select your Apple ID. After that, choose Media and Purchases. In the next step, go to App Store. Then look for Forsaken AR. Now press Get or the cloud icon. In the next step, open Settings. Next, select Screen Time. Next, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure App Store installations are enabled. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Wi-Fi. Now confirm that your device is linked to a strong connection. In the next step, open App Store. Next, check Purchase section if necessary. Next, press the cloud icon next to Forsaken AR. You are good to go.